YouTube ads campaign showing irrelevant placements, how to optimize after learning phase. Hi Ali, hello. We have been running a YouTube lead generation campaign for about 10 days now, and results are mixed but promising. Targeting broad keywords plus website keywords, custom intent audience, optimization set for conversions. Results so far, some decent initial conversions, so the funnel itself seems to be working. Congratulations. The issue, when I check where ads were shown, I see some relevant placements, good YouTube channel videos, but honestly, 90% are totally random people, like people watching an Indian Sanskrit channel or lifestyle content that has nothing to do with our niche. B2B founders, SaaS, software as a service scaling. I know YouTube no longer lets you run conversion optimized campaigns strictly on placements, which is why we are running based on keyword intent. But the sheer randomness of placement makes me think we are wasting budget, even though the Google is learning. My question is, after the first 10 days and your 1000 spend, what's the best practice for optimization here? Do you cut irrelevant placement manually or let Google keep learning? It's a smart move to layer audience custom intent in market topics together or keep them separate to see performance. How do you usually guide Google towards the right type of channel when it keeps spreading budget across low quality inventory? Would love to hear your approach, how you approach the next phase, specifically from anyone running YouTube for high ticket B2B lead generation. Yes, we are running for high ticket B2B lead generation, which is why I'm happy to help you. Okay, so if I was on your position, first of all, try to understand Google not only work on the channel, but Google also think regarding the audience interest. So, which is why think yourself as a customer. You may be open a random thing, but you may see an ad which is relevant as yours, because Google also do pinpoint targeting to you. So the question not over here is that where the ad is shown, but the question is to whom the ad is shown. Try to understand the difference. It's channel versus audience. So understand this. But let's imagine that you do not like that channel. Exclude those channels. Exclude those channels as placements. You have to do it manually, do it right now. Where you think that if they are not converting well for you. Also, regarding your second question, is the smart move to layer audience custom intent in market topics together, keep them separate. Keep them separate, please. As a marketer, I want data. Data is the most important thing for me, and I need to look around. So, which is why I do not even put two things together. I will keep them separate to see which kind of audience is working well for my business. Try to understand. I'm in the phase one, and I need to know what kind of audience works well. One thing may be working well for you, but you assume that that doesn't work well. So, which is why it need to be backed up by data. So, keep them separate to see performance. Then we can decide on this. After this, regarding question is, how do you usually guide Google towards the right type of channel when it keeps spreading the budget across low quality inventory? There are two ways. First of all, increase your CPV cost. And the second thing over here is to try to please understand that the Google do not show your ad based on the relevancy of the channel, but relevancy of the audience. But in any way, you can simply exclude. Now, if we go into the deeper regarding your third question, I'm gonna reduce the number of keywords. Also, where you said that you are targeting broad keywords, so broad keywords are actually a confusion over there. Try to understand broad keywords can put in a very general phase of traffic, which is why I recommend people to do phrase match keywords, because this helps relevancy. Broad keywords is a mistake you have done. So my point is to go with the phrase match, because with broad, for instance, I'm targeting buy web hosting. Now, if this is a keyword, with broad keyword, what happens is someone search for buy. Even if they search for buy shoes, your ad will be shown. You want customer related to buy web hosting, but someone search with the word buy, your ad will be shown. Someone search the word with the web, someone search with the hosting, any combination, your ad will be shown. Which is why I do not recommend broad keywords unless it's covered with smart bidding or a manual review. I have seen some people getting good results with broad keywords plus smart bidding, but not this case over here. So my case is to change your bidding keyword phrase match as well. Change to phrase match, and I hope this can sort your issue. And because 10 days right now and results are mixed, so look around what's worked well for and optimize that as well. Follow these strategies plus look on the data which works well. Plus a strong, an eye on your competitor, what they are doing, and what the offer they are running seems a good idea. Also, once in a while, it's a good to create a new YouTube ad copy. This helps because the audience eventually gets bored with something, so which is why, in my opinion, do that. Also, if you can, focus on one thing, and that is retargeting. Also focus, apart from the strategies which I have suggested earlier, I also recommend doing retargeting. This can also help you in improving your sales. I hope this answers your question. But if anyone needs a professional help with YouTube ads, Google ads, or any other service including web development or anything related to digital marketing, we're a full-fledged agency and I will love to help you. If you want to hire me and my team, you can simply hire us through the link in the description or in the first comment of this video. We are a full-fledged marketing agency and we will love to work with you based in UAE. But we welcome clients from all over the globe. So yeah, thank you for watching. I hope this answers your question and I look forward to working with you. Take care and bye bye.